Hi, welcome to Embodia. This video will go over the online booking experience for patients. Online booking is flexible and customizable to meet your needs. You will have your own unique URL that you can use to direct people to your booking page. From the online booking page, your patients can browse and select a service that you offer and directly book a time that suits their need based on your schedule availability. You can also choose to make your waitlist available so patients can add themselves to the list, along with their preferred dates and times for appointments. Another useful tool to help you book more patients into your schedule is the booking request feature. If a patient can't find what they're looking for, or if they're not sure what to book, they can simply submit a booking request. You will be notified and can then reach out to the patient to give them a hand booking their appointment. Our online booking is flexible and fully customizable to meet your needs, where you can decide who can book online, which of your services can be booked online, and to collect payment on booking. This ends our brief tour of online booking. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@embodiaapp.com.